If you've gone to the trouble of developing great content, you want it to appear at the top of search results. These days, search engines are so accurate at matching user intent with the right content that it's rare for a user to click through to a second page of results. Often, the most common reason for poor search rankings is the search engine algorithms have determined that your content isn't the best match for the user intent. It also may mean that your choices of keywords are the same as those as high-profile, long-established competitors, and therefore you're not able to successfully compete for the top of the results page. Now these days, it's not as simple as just getting content on the page and lots of links to your website, because with Google being the world's dominant search engine, they're influential in shaping the future of search rankings. So to continue to rank highly in search results, you need to continually monitor their latest updates and optimize everything according to their guidelines. Now ultimately, SEO helps search engine algorithms understand our content so that it can be categorized effectively. But that doesn't necessarily mean that your website is search engine friendly. Part of the optimization is ensuring the search bots are able to crawl through your website. Utilize Google's free tool Search Console to be able to measure this. Now, if you've eliminated everything that's been obvious in those previous steps, then it could be the search engine itself blocking your pages. Google gets thousands of takedown notices every day, so many of that process is automated, however, unfortunately not always accurate. In the first instance, the best thing to do is register your issue with Google's online DMCA counter, and they'll be able to take it from there. But unfortunately, that's all the steps that you can actually take. Now, if you're outside of this, then you're in a very specialist case, so you need to be looking at further insights. Search Console is your friend, but if you can't, then you're going to be going to an expert.